frozen over. My heart's in the sky, supernova.
Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you my favorite productivity planner, and that is the Life Purpose Playbook written by Judy Mikado Duke. I hope I'm pronouncing that right, Judy. If not, I'm so sorry. But basically this lady, Judy, has a bunch of productivity products and worksheets that she uses. She has something called the Goddess Temple. She has Facebook, Instagram, and I have all of her links in the description. If you do choose to purchase this planner, all of the links, when you use that affiliate link, all of the proceeds of my commission will go to Mercy for Animals, which is the charity that Judy supports. So without further ado, let's get into the playbook. So this is what it looks like from the outside. It's not too thick, it's a good size, about the size of my head. And it is a 6-month planner, so that's really important. This is only 6 months, so you need 2 of these for a whole year. It is a goal-setting workbook and a coloring book all in one. So I'm going to show you a little bit about what's in the book. The first page is just a title page where you can write your name and a contact number if you were to lose this book. And then she has a few personal messages, and then pages 6 through, I believe, 30 is all of her worksheets. So that is this right here. So she has stuff like 5 steps to maximize this life purpose playbook, where she can discover like tests and things you can do to discover your purpose. She has this whole system here. It's called the My Purpose Discovery Formula. And she also has my values clarifier, so you can figure out what your true values are and what really matters to you in life. There's a life intention matrix, a dream builder, a vision board, a goal charting system. This I really love. It's the My Circle of Life expander. So it gives the different areas of life and you fill it in based on how happy and content you are with that part of your life. Some checklists. You have a page that has a year ahead outlook. You have a monthly planner, and you also have daily pages. And what I really like about this planner is that it is black and white, and my favorite part is that none of the days are written in. So you are able to completely customize the date. You're able to, like, in a way, bullet journal, which I know is really popular now. You're able to really customize it, add your own color, figure out how you want to lay out your planner. And as someone like me who will miss a day in their planner, if I miss a day, I don't really want to continue planning because I've already missed that day. I want like every single section in this book to be filled. And that was my problem with other planners. I would miss a week and then I would just feel unmotivated to use my planner. So I really like that this one I can stop and pick up at any point in time. It is meant to be used as like a life purpose playbook, so it's meant to be used every single day. But if there's a day like a Sunday where I'm not doing anything, like I really have nothing to plan, or I have like a day off and I don't have anything that I need to write down, what's the sense in using that page? So I like that I'm able to customize that. This one is also the empty version. I didn't want to show you guys my personal planner, so I want to show you what a plain blank one would look like. So this is what the My Celebration Experience page looks like. It has a bunch of balloons, and then you can fill in things that you want to celebrate. There's also a purpose discovery formula that can help you find your purpose by filling in the bubbles. So I actually wanted to start a series on my channel about productivity, so how to have a productive morning, how to be more productive, and every month I would post a new video about that. And I was thinking I could go through some of the pages in this book with you guys, how to fill them out, and really promote this small business owner. So if you guys want to see that, then be sure to give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell so you can be notified every time I post a new video. I'll see you in my next one. Bye, guys.